Welcome on board True North, a 2007 3600 Sport Yacht and a fantastic model from Riviera. Come with me as we take a closer look through and find out just why this is the perfect entry-level boat into Riviera's Sport Yacht range. My name is Callum Whelan from Armour & Jones, the Riviera dealership on the Gold Coast, and today we're lucky enough to be up on the sunny Sunshine Coast. So we're on board this 36 Sport Yacht and I'm super excited to show you through some features. So we're starting in the cockpit. As you can see right now, this is an excellent entertaining spot for families, friends, everybody. At the rear lounge right now, cockpit table opens both ways. And you can see we've got deck chairs set up. Now you can put a few more deck chairs out and entertain many family and friends. Above me is a brand new awning that's just been installed. It looks fantastic and you can see it extends all the way out here, so plenty of shade in this area. Above where you are is an opening hopper window, which you'll feel when we go through soon, connects both areas really, really nicely. Refrigeration outdoors, access to the engine room and access to the platform out the back, which will flow out through now. As we flow back to the platform here, just in front of me is a stainless gate which hinges shut, enclosing this whole area so any kids are on board don't wander out here and go for a swim. This is our big stainless post that hosts the tender, so it swings up on snap davits and it's an excellent way out of the way when it's up and stored. We can still use this whole area. Just under here is storage where the outboard lives, electric barbecue and other bits and pieces can be put in there. And then under here is our swim ladder. So you can see excellent area all the way into the water, so you can dive off and get back onto the platform quite comfortably. As we flow through to the saloon area now, you'll really get an understanding of the hopper door that sits here. So when the boat's all shut, this closes down and the blind goes down and closes the whole area. But when we are on board entertaining and family and friends are on board, we have it open and it really opens both areas. It creates one level of living the whole time you're on board. It really is fantastic. To my port, L-shaped lounge with an ottoman here, and that's perfectly seated in front of the TV, which is just in front of it. And then to my starboard, we've got a well-equipped galley, refrigeration, microwave, and all our AC switching and generator controls back there. One of the great features is the smart TVs on an electric actuator. So you can see at the push of a button, I can bring it all the way up and sit back down here and lounge around, and we can watch TV comfortably while still keeping visibility of our anchorage, and yeah, really comfy spot. The helm on the 36 Sport Yacht is starboard located. As you can see, I'm sitting up nice and high right now. I've got full visibility to my anchor and over the nose, and all the way back I can see just the tip of the platform, so making parking and manoeuvring extremely easy. I've got the throttles to my right hand here and the bow thruster to my left. So as you can see, if I'm manoeuvring in and out or berthing, I've got all the way forward, all the way back, and full bow control. So manoeuvrability on these vessels is exceptional and makes parking and all that stuff very, very easy. This 36 in particular has had a nice electronics upgrade. You'll see it's got a brand new Axiom Ray Marine package, which is fantastic, depth finder, charts, and a new VHF. And you'll see it's all accessible to the captain or the skipper at the helm. So everything's nice and reachable, and plenty of room for a first mate if needed. As we flow down the centre staircase, to my port is a double bunk cabin, and you'll notice throughout all the cabins, the owner has fitted them with Sirocco fans, which are fantastic. They chew barely any battery overnight and keep you cool and your guests cool in your cabins all night. As we leave the port, our main VIP cabin is up forward with a double berth, plenty of storage, and again, Sirocco fans, which will keep you cool all night. The main forward cabin has a deck hatch above, which also helps with ventilation and airflow. And to our starboard is the well-equipped head with shower, toilet, and all the amenities you'd need while you're away on board. Up to the foredeck now, and as you can see, I've got plenty of room walking up these side decks. I've got a stainless rail here and my bow rail here to support me the whole way. So getting forward is easy, safe. The whole family can come up here. Perfect spot for sundowners. As we sit down now, we've got a brand new Sunpad up the front here. This is awesome, great feature to have on the boat with a little backrest here. So sunbaking and sundowners up here is fantastic. Well, that about wraps things up for us today on this video walkthrough of this 3600 Sport Yacht. This truly is a great example of an entry-level boat into Riviera's Sport Yacht range, and I hope you can see why from all the features that we listed today. If you need any further information on this vessel, please feel free to call me anytime on the details below. I look forward to hearing from you and showing you through True North.